Teasel's Tudor Trivia!
Hi, welcome to Teasel's Tudor Trivia with me, Claire, and Teasel, the rescue dog, who we've had over a month now. You've settled in nicely, haven't you? Now, what are you preparing for Christmas dinner this year if you're celebrating Christmas? Well, we're going to a friend's house this year, hooray! So I don't have to actually prepare the Christmas dinner this year. But usually we have a traditional British style Christmas. We have roast turkey with all the trimmings, like stuffing, roast potatoes, roast parsnips. Oh, I love honey roast parsnips. Brussels sprouts, carrots, cranberry sauce, gravy, pigs in blankets. No, not really pigs in blankets. Well, I suppose it is. It's sausage meat wrapped in bacon, and sometimes bread sauce and mustard as well. Followed, of course, by Christmas pudding and brandy sauce or brandy butter. Yum. So in the UK today, turkey is the popular Christmas meat. That's the focal point. But what did Tudor people eat on Christmas Day? Well, turkey had been introduced into England in Henry VIII's reign in the 1520s, but the traditional meat for those who could afford it was goose, wasn't it, Teasel? That's what you've been finding out about. Brawn and mustard, which was roast wild boar with mustard, was also popular, and beef was eaten too. But roast goose was the traditional dish. In 1588, so this was after turkey had been well and truly introduced, Queen Elizabeth I ordered the English people to eat goose for their Christmas dinner. And this was to celebrate England's victory over the Spanish Armada. And she chose goose. Yes, that's a cat coming in. She chose goose because it was the first meal that she ate following her navy's victory over the Spanish. So she felt it was only fitting for the English people to have goose as their Christmas dinner, as a reminder of the victory over the Spanish Armada. Now, roast goose does make a nice change from turkey. I think I will try it one year, and I'm going to give you a link to Gordon Ramsay's recipe for the perfect Christmas roast goose, because it can be a bit tricky to cook and make it perfect. Teasel and I would love to know what you're cooking for Christmas dinner if you celebrate Christmas. So do share in the comments what your traditional Christmas dinner is comprised of. We'd love to know that, wouldn't we, Teasel? Not sure what you're having for Christmas dinner, madam. Probably the same as she usually does, but perhaps with a little bit of meat as a treat. Thank you for joining us. We will see you tomorrow for our last Teasel's Tudor Trivia. See you then. Bye-bye.
Teasel's Tudor Trivia!